Hello viewers, today I will show you how to put your valid digital signature with authority of validation by you with password, and how to put your company stamp or logo on the document on the PDF file. For this, let me show you how to put signature here. For this you must open PDF file with Adobe Acrobat latest version. After opening, you will find this such looks in your Windows screen. Then at the left side corner, top corner here, you will see the all tools. After clicking, the pop-up window will come. Under the pop-up window, here you can see fill and sign. If I click fill and sign, it will give me an option. Here it is asking me to add signature. If I click add signature, it will give me one text option. If I type here, it will automatically create one signature. So if you don't have signature, you can write and you can do. But if you have already established signature, you will go to the draw option. In draw option, if you had any pad, or you can use your mouse to write your signature. Let me show you. I am showing my signature like this. This is only reference only. Okay, so this is my signature. If you want to put signature from any page, you can go in the page option. You can upload any of the PDF image file or PNG file. So I don't need to put. I will draw my signature. Then simply apply. If you apply, then see one signature has come. So I want to put here. Okay. The difference between this signature and validated signature with certificate is different. So for this, if I click here, I can delete it anytime. It cannot be locked or it cannot be do anything. Okay, now I want to put my company logo here. For this, I will go in all tools option and go down, scroll down. I want to add a stamp, so I click on stamp here. Then here many option. So under the stamp, there is some stamp which are already have. So I already put a stamp on the dynamic name type, and this is my stamp. So to put a custom stamp, for this I will go to create option. After create option, I will browse my stamp. So if I browse my stamp, remember that the stamp file should be in PDF file. So if I click open, it has come. No matter how the size is, it will automatically take the picture. If I click OK, so it has given me one signature. If I can rename it my company name, my company logo. If I select it here, sign here, it will go under sign here. I click OK. Okay. If I go to here, if sign here, see here is my stamp has come. So if I click here, I can put it away, and if you press escape, it will go away. Okay, now I can unlock it. So if I right click and go to properties, I can lock the position. Okay, but these are editable. Anyone can edit and can delete. But let me show you how to put your digital signature with your validation, and it cannot be edited without your permission. So for this, I will again go to the tools, all tools option, and I will go to use certificate is option. So if I go to use certificate option, it will pop up a digital sign option. So for this I will click on the digital sign option. So it is asking me to drag a space where I want to put this signature. So for this I want to put my digital signature with validation here. Okay, why it will ask me one, it has asked me one file with id. So I already created id, so I do not want it. Okay, so I will add configure new id. If you have already, then you can use existing. If you don't have, you create configure new digital id. For this, select type of digital id. So I will create new digital. So I'm clicking here and I'm continuing. So it is asking me where to save. I prefer to save in Windows Certificate Store. So simply I select it and continue. Here I already put my names and other things. So let me edit something. So here it is asking me the country. So my country is Bangladesh. Okay. Okay. If I click here digital signature, I can give data encryption, I can give data signature and data encryption. There is many options. This is very strong security. So let me give you middle security, the data digital signature. If I click OK, okay, there is two digital signature created. So which one I want? So I want anyone. So if I click anywhere this, I can continue it. Okay, so this signature was created earlier. So let me show you in my new digital signature. If I go here, then it is showing me the what I wrote in earlier. Okay, if I click it and go, and if I click it edit, then it will ask me to draw or drag. Okay, so as I have already drawn, so it has automatically by default it has come. So if I click here and again click here, it is asking me to put again. So if I put here my signature again, let me show you, let me give you different things. Okay, if I apply it, it has automatically taken. And the left side, it is asking me whether I need to put date. Okay, let me clear it. If I clear it, no date will come. If I clear date, the date will come with the Bangladesh time zone. This is date, this is time, this is time zone. If I put O2, it will take right alignment. Okay, if you have many languages, you can give maybe, but there is only English and other things supported. So I will put English sign. If you want to add location, it will give a location. If you want to give another level, it will give level. Okay, let me keep level as it is looking nice. Otherwise, if you do not want, you can upload your signature through image. So I don't want it, so I want to draw in my computer. Okay, if I save it, okay, it is asking me to put my password. I want to lock my sign so that no one can edit. So I simply check the lock option. If I click on the sign in, so it is not correct as I entered earlier. So my password is one. Let me give. Okay, if I click sign in, so it is asking me to save the electronic document in other file. So let me rename it my file stamped. Okay, see, now I have created my signature and date, and here it has one notification has come, at least one signature requires validating. So if I go here, and click here, the signature is telling validation status. Signature is valid, signed by Al-Amin, like this. So it has come. Okay. So if anyone see, then if he click here, he can see my validation. Okay. Or anyone he want to check, at the top left corner, the sign and all signature are valid. The notification has come. Okay, so like this way you can put your company logo, you can put stamp, you can put simple signature, you can put a signature with validity and your certificate, and this document will be valid by digital system, and other user who will move forward with this electronic document, so there will be no problem to proceed. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you.